All right, guys, check it out. Today we have a slightly new thing going on here at Computer TV. We're going to start doing how-tos, and we're going to start it off very, very simple today. Nice, quick, short, to the point, but very, very useful. What I'm going to do today is teach you guys how to enable God mode in Windows 7. Now, this has been pretty popular for the last week or so when they figured out. Someone put it on the internet and just everyone's been doing it, and it's actually kind of useful, especially on laptops. If you're constantly on the go, you're professional, and you always try to change your settings. Like a lot of times, I'll be capturing video to my laptop, and I want it to not turn off when I close the lid or after 30 minutes or whatnot. I don't want it to go to sleep. I want it to stay on and recording my video. You got to go to the bottom taskbar and go to your options, power options, and then click over here. God mode gives you this really nice user interface. It gives you every single setting that your computer has in one place. Presentation mode settings, personalizations, network and sharing, devices, display settings, admin tools, your action center settings. Everything that you could imagine from Windows 7 is going to be placed in one little box, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's just jump right into it. We're going to start over here from the desktop now. It's got like a little bit of a code. So basically what I did is I gave you guys a bit.ly link right here. I will leave this in the sidebar of the YouTube or Dailymotion or Vimeo, but basically it's a bit.ly /60QEFW, and what we're going to do is we're going to copy it, we're going to paste it, and that's going to take you to Gizmodo. Actually, this is you can pretty much search Windows 7 God mode just about everywhere. But here's what you're going to do. You're going to create a new folder right there. You're going to copy this code, God mode, with all those numbers and brackets. You're going to copy it, and you're going to rename the folder with just that. Paste, and you're going to see, boom, there is God mode. Now, right here on my desktop, I'll leave it, and look what happens when you open up God mode. Very nice little user interface here, very useful. Basically, as you're seeing here, all your Action Center settings, your administrative tools, your autoplay tools, your backup and restore settings, date and time settings, desktop gadgets, devices and printers, display, ease of access, fonts, folder options, getting started, home groups, internet options, keyboard location, mouse. I mean, basically everything. Network and sharing center, notification areas, the entire list of every little setting that you could find is going to be here. So if you want to change something on your desktop, this is something that's going to let you change pretty much whatever you want. You're not going to have to worry about actually finding that setting. Now, another little hint is in Windows 7, basically you can search for every setting. So if you want to look at your mouse settings, you can just hit the Windows button and hit mouse, and then all those things are going to come up. But this leaves them all in one place, which is really useful, especially when you have to make like more than one change. Basically, since it's just like a computer or an Explorer interface, you can hit back, change a setting, hit back, change another setting, hit back again, go to another one, set another setting. So very quickly you can change like 3 to 4 settings very, very quickly. So it's really that simple. Now there's a couple warnings here. Do not use this on Windows XP. It will make your computer crash. It does work on Windows Vista, but it has been reported that a few people, it makes their computer crash. On Windows 7, it works great, no problem. X64, it even works on the beta and the release candidates. So if you're still using those and you haven't upgraded to a full retail copy of Windows 7, it will work on those too. Just don't use it on XP because it will make your computer crash. But that's a new little helpful tip for you guys. God mode for Windows 7. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. And I'll see you guys in the next how-to we do. And it should be pretty soon, so stay tuned.